North takeoff, runway 5 at the moment. 19703 is circling around for landing on runway 12. Does anyone else know if that guy just flew across runway 5 is okay?
I have no idea. I saw somebody was walking across the runway after we took off, but I'm not sure. I couldn't really tell anything.
We definitely have a little bit of damage to our left wing, so 19703 is on a left base for runway 12. Yeah, we hit a skydiver just now.
What's a skydiver on the ground?
We flew across the runway while we were on our takeoff roll. Can anyone tell me if that skydiver is okay, please? There's a guy wearing a full green